Hey friends, do you have a hard time waking up early in the morning to get to work? Has your boss threatened to fire you if you're late one more time just because you overslept? Have you tried all the different ringtones, but no matter what ringtone you pick or what volume you place it at, you just tend to sleep right through it? Will not even a hot cup of coffee wake you up in the mornings? Well, don't you worry. The folks at Reel Hazardous have you covered. It's called the Sportsman's alarm clock. With these tones, you're sure to wake up because these tones have been theoretically proven to trigger the instincts in every sort of outdoorsman. For example, consider the Fisherman's alarm clock.
Okay. Fish on! Fish on! Fish on.
Dang, I like this alarm clock.
We also have the Hunter's alarm clock.
It's just my alarm. Guess I gotta go to work.
We also have turkey, duck, elk, shark, fox, yeti, and something for you ultra heavy sleepers.
Woo! That big boy gets me every time, I tell you what.
So don't have another troubled morning trying to wake up. Get these alarm tones from Reel Hazardous and be ready to wake up fully awake with your heart about to explode out of your chest.